Today we actually have November 2, 2012. My favorite activity in the forest, my favorite activity is with vodka. To come to the forest, drink some vodka, a little bit, not just a little bit, more of course, definitely. In Russian snow and frost, the cold of Siberia. With a bottle of vodka and shouting throughout the forest, fa pa 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 pa, la pa pa pa. This is how you should shout. In the forest with a bottle of vodka, Prophet Sanboy's favorite activity. Of course, traveling in the snow is not a favorite activity, but there is an idea in it, a great one. Prophet Sanboy. Prophet Sanboy. Labai Ranan. Vodka does a great thing. Yes. It goes bam, bam, bam. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Baba, Baba. All right, no one is here. Brilliant. Prophet Samboy. Indeed. On the exact date of November 2nd, 2012, exactly. Week, Sun, Venus, Friday, Prophet Samboy.